Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload a project on Behance. So first is first, you have to go to your Behance and then log into your account, scroll down below and you should see this one. All you have to do is tap on this plus icon to create a new project here on your Behance. So I'm going to add my thumbnail collection, let's just say. So you can just basically upload your image and then add text right here, video, everything is up to you. So I will be adding or I will import my thumbnails, sample thumbnails collection. So let's just say these are my work. Okay, you can just add here or import images or videos, everything is up to you. You can add a title or text, for example, thumbnail collection or at least a thumbnail collection. You can also create your own, depends on your first project. Now, I can add a grid or layout right here. So if you have tons of projects or let's just say images or videos and you want to create a grid, then all you have to do is to add and then create a grid. You can also you can embed link URL. Okay, so you can change or add styles. You can just basically change the background color if you want, for spaces, for font. You can change everything here to make your project look better and captivating. Okay, so once you're done with that, then you can just basically review everything here. Okay, you can also attach something like a file or whatever. So this is my collection. This is my first project, let's just say. So I know you can do better than this. Tap on continue. Here you can add a title of your project on Behance. And then below here you can add tags, add more information below, tool used, and also Behance visibility. So once you're done with this, then what you're going to do here is you have to tap on this green button below, or let's just say publish. And that's it. This is how you basically upload a project on Behance. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.